Hello everyone, this is Shivanijain and I welcome you all on my first video lecture on YouTube, and it is on idioms. Idioms and phrases, as you know, are the typical topics of every exam in which you are going to appear, whether it is a bank exam, competitive other competitive exams, or an interview, or if even if we speak about your daily life. Okay, these idioms and phrases, when used while speaking, creates a great impact on the person you are speaking with. Okay, while it is professional or it's personal. Okay, so here we are going to learn these idioms with funny tips and tricks so that you can remember them for a long ago. Okay, so here I have used these pictures for keeping you things in mind for a long time. Just for explanation, I'm using these photos, not to be taken serious. Okay, so let's start with the video. And please, if you like it, do not forget to strike on the like button and subscribe button. Let's start the video fast without making any ado. Our first idiom is a dime a dozen. A dime a dozen means very common. Very common. Here the books are there in these shelves. Some of these books are very common, that's why the sentence we have used is books like these are a dime a dozen, means something which is common. Just for example, not to be taken serious, moving ahead to the next one. A feather in one's cap, an achievement. A feather in one's cap means an achievement. Whenever a feather adds in your cap, it means you have achieved something. Okay, so selection as an army officer is really a feather in his cap. Okay, with this feather, whenever you try to click these types of idioms in your mind, you are having that you will be having this pictures in your mind, and with the help of these, you can click the options easily. You can click the answer easily. You can click the meaning of this idiom easily. Okay, that's why I have used this. Moving on to the next one. A cold shoulder. A cold shoulder means what? Appearing disinterested. Whenever a person is not interested in your things, they used to show cold shoulders. Okay, or give cold shoulders. Here the sentence comes is, I treated her pleasantly, but she gave me a cold shoulder. मैंने उसे बहुत अच्छे से ट्रीट किया, पर उसने मुझे क्या दिया? Cold shoulder दे दिया. Means she didn't show interest in my things. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. A go-getter. A go getter means a highly motivated and ambitious person. One who is highly motivated and ambitious is known as a go getter, means always ready to go. Okay, highly motivated and ambitious person. A person here you can see in this pictures. Okay, moving on to the its example. We want interns who are go getters. Every employer wants interns who are go getters, means those who are highly motivated and ambitious. Nobody wants dull kind of people to spoil their work or to disturb their work. Okay, now moving on to the next ones, but before moving, let's have a quick revision of these four. Okay, which are a first one? Yes, a dime a dozen means very common, something which is very common. Here are some books in the shelves which are very common. That's why the sentences books like these are a dime a dozen. Okay, moving on to the next one. A feather in one's cap. A feather in one's cap means an achievement. When you achieve something, a feather adds to your cap, and here is your cap. Selection as an army officer is really a feather in his cap. Okay, moving on to the next one. A cold shoulder. A cold shoulder means appearing disinterested. Here you can see this lady, she's yawning because she don't want to do her work anymore. Here the sentence is, I treated her pleasantly, but she gave me a cold shoulder. Now moving on to the next one. A go-getter. A highly motivated and ambitious person. As I explained in this picture, you can see a highly motivated and ambitious person. They are trying to climb the mountain or whatever it is, they are helping each other. But just for example, I have taken this picture. We want interns who are go getters. हमें कैसे interns चाहिए जो क्या हो, go getters हो. Now moving on to the fifth one, and here it comes. A queer fish. A queer fish means a person of odd habits. Okay, here you can see this odd habit man. What is his odd habit? He has kept a helmet on his head, although he's working here in his office, not in office, we don't know where, in office or in his at his home, just keeping a helmet on his head. and these kind of habits are old habits. That's why here the sentence is he's a queer fish, I fail to understand. वो बहुत ही उटपटांग टाइप का व्यक्ति है, मुझे उसकी बातें कुछ समझ में नहीं आती है. Okay, moving on to the next one. A man of metal. A man of metal is a self-determined person. As you can see in this picture, our Prime Minister Modi ji. Okay, a man of metal, a self-determined person. वो व्यक्ति जो क्या होता है, दृढ़ संकल्पित होता है, दृढ़ निश्चित होता है, हाँ मैं ये कर दूंगा और कर दिखाऊंगा. एंड यस ही डिड इट. अ मैन ऑफ मेटल मोस्टली सक्सीड्स इन लाइफ. Yes, it is a live example. You can see a man of metal mostly succeeds in life. So that's how we finished first 6 idioms in this video. Okay, I hope if you keep revising these 1 or 2 times, you can easily grasp them for a long time. Okay, that if you keep liking and sharing and subscribing, will bring some more videos for you with this kind of tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.